Hey guys, today I'm going to show you in how to create this easy glitter eyeshadow, and the first eyeshadow that I'm using is a burnt orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills from the Modern Renaissance. And now I'm using the color Real Garb from the same palette as I said before, and just putting that in my outer corner and just blending it out. So now I'm using ColourPop from Golden State of Mine, and the eyeshadow of the glitter that I'm using is Golden Egg, and just patting it down with the flat brush that I have sprayed setting spray on it so that it could be more pigmented and stay in place. So that's pretty much it, and what I do now is put some eyeliner, eyelashes, and I added a lipstick from Milani, and this is the final look. I hope you liked this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.